Hello everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home to some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. For the past 16 years, we've been developing powerful tools designed to save you time, eliminate manual work, and boost productivity. With over 7,500 satisfied customers, from small businesses to large corporations, we constantly hear from users about how much they love our tools. Every week, we receive emails from customers telling us how much our tools have saved them hours of work, eliminated mistakes, and made their daily tasks much easier. Many say they used to spend a lot of time manually searching, calculating, or organizing data until they started using our Excel tools, which now do the work in minutes. Our 130-plus 5-star Google reviews says it all. Real feedback from business owners, analysts, and professionals who use our tools every day. Check them out and see for yourself. We love hearing these success stories because they remind us why we do what we do. Today, I'm excited to introduce one of the most requested tools, the Google My Business Scraper. If you've ever needed to pull business data from Google Maps, this Excel-based tool makes it fast, easy, and automated. No more copying and pasting business information manually. This tool does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to find bookstores in Houston, Texas. Simply select Bookstore as the business type. Enter Houston, Texas as the location. Set a search radius of, let's say, 50, and click Search. In just a few seconds, you'll have a clean and organized list of businesses, complete with details like business name, address, phone number, price level, rating, and more. Keep in mind that Google limits results to 60 entries per search, but you can easily refine your search by adjusting the radius, location, or keywords to gather even more data. Whether you need business leads, competitor research, or market insights, this tool is designed to streamline your data collection process. Downloading and setting up the Google My Business Scraper is simple. Just click the link in the description to get started. If you have any questions or need assistance, we're here to help. You can reach us via phone, email, or live chat on our website. And yes, you'll be talking to a real person, not a bot. In fact, Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators, is always happy to assist you personally. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more time-saving tools and Excel tips. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy extracting.